Now the ones that are currently hatching are, they're Easter eggers. They lay blue eggs, so they're hatching out of the blue eggs. They're kind of smaller eggs. I did read where the smaller eggs hatch out soon sometimes. Sooner than they're supposed to. Here it goes. Come on, little chick. Just a couple of more big pushes and it'll be out of that. There it goes. Come on. So neat. Now, a lot of people think that when they come out of the egg, they're all cute and fluffy, but that's not the case. They're just not real pretty. They're all wet, but they'll fluff up soon. This one seems to be okay. He's just got to get his breath and rest up for a second. Now in this incubator, y'all may notice I have a little thing of water in there. I couldn't get the humidity up where it needed to be. It's supposed to be between 65 and 75. And I couldn't seem to get the humidity up to where it needed to be for hatch day. So I had to add a little cup of water so it would help the humidity level. We also have a humidity, the incubator actually has a humidity monitor, but we also put one inside to be able to monitor that humidity.